Proverbs 16:17. In Takusin version or in Papua New Guinea language, or Proverbs 16:17. Bikrot bilong stret pelaman, me bilong lusim pasinogut. Husat iholim pasrot, bilong ilukautim. Stop tewel bilong or Proverbs 16:17. Thanks be to God po. 16:17. In King James Version, the highway of the upright is to depart from evil. He that keepeth his way preserveth his soul. Proverbs 16:17. And in Tagalog Version, Kawikaan 16:17. Ang maluwang na lansangan ng matuwid ay humiwalay sa kasamaan. Siyang nag-iingat ng kanyang lakad ay nag-iingat ng kanyang kaluluwa. Kawikaan 16:17. Salamat po sa Diyos.